Good morning, Paradise Smoothie Juice fans. This is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar, and this is our third edition of our Vibradration shots. Now we've went over 2 ingredients that's in this shot, which is ginger and beets. Now the third ingredient out of 9 ingredients that's in this Vibradration shot is turmeric. Now, turmeric helps to lower triglyceride, which is a major cardiovascular risk factor. Turmeric also helps to relieve joint pain and improve stiffness, reduces inflammation, and it also improves digestive discomfort. So this is the third edition of our Vibradration shot. Continue to tune in. Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. We're located in Mableton, Georgia, as well as Atlanta, Georgia, Greenbrier Mall. Next week we'll be going over another ingredient that's in our Paradise Vibradration shot. So we'll be talking to you soon. Bye.